What's good, guys? It's Nacho Boy, and we are balling with the Angry Birds. Play now. Hold on. We got a situation going on here. That's some mom music real quick. You ready, guys? Start it. You need tickets to play in the Mighty League here on me. Okay, so we're ready. I understand the play. Yes! I got him. Is that it? 1,000 is good. Okay, level score, nope, 1,000. Okay, first try for starter, that's good. So we're moving up. Nice, just a bazillion more stars to go and you'll be on my level. Keep at it. Okay, competition, baby. It's competition. Looks like you need some help. Try the mighty scope for the next 10 minutes. Hey guys, I appreciate the support. Yo, check out my channel. Check out my page. Well, my channel. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nacho Boy. Hello. Subscribe. Add a like. Comment if you would like to. And yeah, we finna get this roll on the go. Yeah. Look at that pig, bro. Look at his eyes, man. Shit. That's just. He looks like an obese child, man. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, we got one. We got one down. Come on. One last shot, baby. This is for the Super Bowl. No! Yikes. Again. Can we restart this? Well, what can we do? Let's see. Let's just okay, we lost. I think we won. Wait, level score. Okay. Well, we got one more level. Pop the pig before the time runs out and for a time bonus. Of course. Oh, come on, yes, 5,000. Whoa, guys, let's try to at least get to I'm gonna try my best to beat this freaking eagle because he's trying to test me, man. Keep going though. To finish the level within time limit, have a time bonus. Okay. Well, you were talking about that smack about a minute ago. Yes, got that. Next to the next level, Clash League. Let's go. Okay. Here are a few tickets to get you started. Let's go. New sticker received. Okay. You have earned your first sticker. Go stick it on your. Okay, whatever. Okay, I understand. What the freak? This is complicated, bro. Let's try up here. Get him. Get him, yes. Alright, let's tag. Let's drop the freaking bomb. How am I supposed to defeat all these guys? Oh, I didn't drop my egg, man. Oh, I got one. Okay, how are we supposed to get this dude? Come on. What? That's so baloney, man. Come on. That's baloney, bro. That's so freaking baloney. You should connect to Facebook to see how much better. Yeah. Nobody wants to hear your bitch shenanigans. Yes. Come on, baby. Yes. All right, baby. Let's get it. What the freak would I do? What? All right, let's drop the bomb on him. Yes! 5,000, baby. What's good? Nacho Boy Hello is in the house, baby. Nacho Boy Hello is in the house, knocking on your door, baby. What you gotta say, YouTube, right now? We are scoring, we are winning, we are doing what we gotta do. 93,290 level score. Let's keep moving, baby. I feel the momentum, the energy is moving, baby. Let's get it. All right. Star score. Let's get that. Class League. Okay. Oh my goodness, man. They make it so complicated. I doubt he's gonna be effective. The other guy is down there. What? Yes, he did. Oh, okay. What was that? What? No! We failed, guys. We have failed. We have failed, man. We have failed. Not enough score. Only the score matters. No need to pop all the pigs. Okay, let's do it again. Let's try it again, baby. The arch nemesis. Now let's try up. Let's try dropping one up down here. Let's try getting them those up there. Yes! Destruction. Destruction, yes, baby. Now we're speaking my language. What the freak, bro? What the freak? Is he falling back down? No. Dang it. Did I get enough? Yes, I think I got enough. Did I get enough? Yes, I got enough, baby. Whoa. That was amazing, bro. I'm telling you, man. That was freaking awesome. Win the upcoming league by collecting 4 stars in 5 days. You made it to the Wood League. Come back tomorrow to continue. Okay. Okay. I guess I'll do that. Sticker received. I'm out to judge part 1. part one of shoot, what's the freaking thing? Angry Birds. Part one of Angry Birds. See the full version today, tomorrow, next day, next day. We're gonna continue this, alright? I see you guys and I see you. Nacho Boy, hello, and we are out here. Whoa.